Hey guys, today I've got a fun and short video for you that I think you'll enjoy. As you probably know, superhero themed videos always go viral and rack up tons of views. However, creating these videos can be time consuming and requires a certain level of skill, but not anymore. Today I'm introducing an AI tool that lets you turn yourself or any character into famous superheroes for free using just images. Let's dive in and give it a try. First, if you don't want to use your own photo, you can create animated or realistic characters using the free and unlimited Pixelman AI. On the page, you'll find tons of samples you can use as inspiration for your creations. To get started, go to the Create section. Here you'll see 5 different models to choose from. While all of them are amazing, I usually go with Flux.1 Schnell because it generates stunning images. Here are some images I generated along with their prompts. By the way, we've made a full video about Pixelman, and I'll link it above for you to check out. Once you've created your pictures, head over to the Pixverse website. There you'll find tons of amazing samples to choose from. You can hit retry to regenerate each one you like. After signing in, you can start generating in the settings. You only need to adjust the effects section. You can leave everything else as is or adjust them as you want. You can pick your favorite superheroes such as Venom, Hulk, Batman, Joker, or even Iron Man. There are some other viral effects that you can find here, like out of frame, squish it, zombie mode. For now, let's only try the superhero related effects. Upload the image you want to use, and remember, your Venom doesn't have to be black. You can specify any color you like, and the AI will generate your Venom in that color. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. Keep in mind that you get 30 credits daily, and each video costs about 30 credits to generate. But when you sign up, you're gifted 60 credits to get started. Here's the result. You can even switch up the Venom colors using either the We Are Venom or Colorful Venom options. The AI also works great with anime-style images. Let's move on and test out the Batman effect. Next up is the Joker effect. Isn't that smile so mysterious? It perfectly captures the Joker's vibe. There's also an effect that makes it look like you've taken a selfie with Venom. If your picture looks like you're holding a camera, the results are even cooler. Now let's see how the Iron Man effect turns out. The next effect is Hulk. I initially tried it with a picture of an elf girl, but it didn't come out well. Then I used this other picture, and here's the result. Until next time, stay creative.